everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got an exciting tutorial for you. We are going to show you how to set a video as a wallpaper on any iPhone running iOS 17. If you've ever wanted to add a bit more personality to your home screen or lock screen, this is the video for you. Now let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17. You can do this by going to Settings and on General and tapping on Software Update. Next, find or create the video you want to set as your wallpaper. Remember, iOS 17 allows you to use videos up to 30 seconds long. You can use a video from your camera roll or download one that you like. Now open the Photos. Once the video is open, tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the share menu, scroll down and select Use as Wallpaper. Here you will be seen Use as Wallpaper if you don't have it yet. It might be because you're not on iOS 17 or more. Here you can drag to adjust the video and choose whether you want it to appear on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Tap to set at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. Your video is now set as your wallpaper.